This is my tray with the Lonicera Dioica. We got that one that is doing okay. It's probably dried out a little bit more than I'd like, but it's surviving and doing well. It's kind of leafing out a little weirder than I anticipated. I thought it would have elongated by now, but I'm trying to keep it alive. I didn't want it to be too wet. There's definitely a slight crusting of the surface that's starting now, and I want to make sure that I maintain this wet. I'm probably going to get rid of the trays that didn't have any emergence at this point because we're at day 21, and I'll focus on the resources on the one that I do have. The Erigeron Philadelphicus, I got nothing, and of course I have a cardinal sin, which some of it has dried out past where it should be, but that one's gonna go. It's just not doing what I needed it to do. It should have popped by now, and that one's gonna go. Apparently not successful, and that happens.